What's up, guys? We're back with another video. We're making pickle balls. That sounded wrong. The ingredients are these breadcrumbs.
No, it's Parm.
Parmesan cheese. Chopped up pickles. One of them looks like an olive. Ew.
That's not an olive.
Butter. What? The butter?
That is cream cheese.
This is cream cheese.
Yeah.
Cream cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese. And last but not least, a jolly old egg. Okay, so when can we start making this? No, I get it.
You can't. Let me
Yes,
just
I
do the
can.
egg. Okay, so you gotta whisk that.
I know how to make an egg. I've made an egg at Dad's house before. It's like I know how to make a broken yolk egg.
You're not supposed to do that yet, though. Alright, so you're supposed to read the directions. It says combine pickles, cream cheese, and cheddar.
Okay. Pickles. What's this?
Just dump them in.
Straighten it up more. This is where the cream cheese is. There's a lot more at the top.
Okay, just use your finger. How much cheddar? Third of a cup?
Boom!
1/3 of a cup of cheddar. This is a fourth, so you need a little bit more, but just guesstimate.
Wait, this whole thing,
Over this.
this whole thing is a fourth?
Yeah. And you want a third, which a third's a little bit larger than a fourth, right?
Yeah, so probably want to put it... That's probably good.
What's in the bowl?
Yeah, and what's already out. Do you think that's a third of cheddar?
Yes, I do. And we just went right in front of your camera. All right, now you gotta whisk. You know how to whisk an egg?
Like, chop it?
Stir it up really fast. Not like that with the tip of the fork. That's gonna scratch the bowl. Can I show you, please?
Sure.
Like that.
And that's not going to scratch the bowl?
Now, in there, you gotta stir that up, though. Stir up. You want that finished first.
Should I chop the cream cheese?
Yep, try to make it all into like one big mixture.
This is disgusting. I made a basketball video earlier and it actually went really well, so thanks.
Good.
This isn't working very well.
All right, keep going. Here, let me help.
Should I add the Parmesan to
No.
the egg?
Nope.
No.
The egg coats.
Here's the
pickle balls.
Parmesan.
No, I think we're gonna put our hands in this.
No, not me. You. I'm sorry, I'm not doing that. I do not want to touch cream cheese.
All right, then give me just a second. Let me get your brother's dinner on the table. Maximus.
Spaghetti and meatballs. I'm probably making you hungry, but I don't know if I am because it's pickle balls. Like, look at this abomination.
It's gonna be 5 pickle balls.
Yeah, wait, how long will it take to make?
8 minutes in the fryer. So
So
we'll
we
have to
might
come
have
back and
part
see round
2.
2. Yeah,
Yeah, we'll make a part 2.
once they're finished.
Yeah, taste test for part 2. But this is the making. I'm trying to stir it up. The cream cheese just looks like what? like butter covered with shredded cheese.
Watch out, that is hot.
Okay. Oh, that part wasn't hot. So we have our egg yolk here. I don't know if I can show you much. Oh, well, it's kind of going down, but I'll try and stir it up more. Hopefully that's enough to...
Where's the grater?
Pickles got in the Parmesan cheese.
How did that happen?
I don't know, but I took them out. It was like a pickle and a piece of shredded cheese. It might have fell out, but whatever. I'm so good. Here's the recipe. I don't know if you can see it.
Okay, let's not show someone else's Instagram. We don't have rights to that.
Oh, we don't?
It is. I just called you.
Is that your friend's Instagram? Oopsies. Do, 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 do. Gotta crush up the balls of Parmesan.
Why would you attack Rocky?
Why do you want to attack Rocky? My brother just said he wants to attack Rocky.
You don't like him.
All right.
You hit him.
Here's your first pickle ball. You gotta dunk it in the egg and then dunk it in that. Can you grab a small plate out of there?
Sure.
You don't want to do any part of this, do you?
No.
Small one.
Not at all.
Dunk it in the egg, then you dunk it in the parm to make a ball.
Here it is. I kind of want to do this, actually.
Okay.
What are you guys making?
Pickle balls, heavy one.
Fried pickle balls. Okay, Jack. Now you gotta wash your hands after you touch all this because there's raw egg.
Gotta dip it in the
I
egg.
put the Parmesan
Dip it in the
bacon grease.
Parmesan. Bon appetit. I'm kidding.
Inside of this thing?
Totalera.
This is not gonna make that good.
We need like more. Do we need more stuff?
Yeah, just start. This, we could try them, see if we like them. I think there's more pickle in here than there is cream cheese and stuff.
Okay, we got that one now.
Okay, you're making sure that they're covered in that Parmesan, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna air fry them for 8 minutes.
Like I'm covering them.
Do I get to have one or are they all just for you guys?
No, you can try one. I'll try one, and Jack can have 2.
Well, 3.
Thanks for the fork.
Oh, yeah. Okay, now go to the sink. Don't touch anything with dirty hands.
Jack!
My own fork.
Hot. Okay, hey, so.
Love you, Rob. I'm gonna find out about that autograph with some.
Please do. Okay, towel right there.
Hey guys, we're done making, well, not done making, but pretty much done making fried pickle balls. We got 5 of them.
All right, so we hit the air fryer.
Yep. I wonder what they're gonna taste like.
When it gets up to
See you in part
400,
2, maybe.
we'll put it on.